Hey everybody, today I just wanted to share a very quick video with you. I wanted to show you how I make yogurt in the Instant Pot. So the first thing I do is just have some water at the bottom here. Take some milk. So I use 2% milk. You're free to use whatever milk you want. And then using a Pyrex container over here, just put it in here. And then all I did was steam it for 1 minute at low pressure. So generally I'll do that. And I'll see like that is the setting that it should be. Once that's done, once the 1 minute is done, and the pressure releases. I mean, I generally do this in the night and leave it overnight. Oh, I didn't realize that would start. So, and then open it up. So once the steam mode is done, don't let it sit on warm. Just quickly, as soon as the pressure falls, or release the pressure and open it up, and then let it cool down. Once it cools down, you'll see like this cream form at the top. And I just quickly like take in my thermometer here. So this is just your regular kitchen thermometer, and I'll just move around the cream a little bit, mix it up evenly so I get a good temperature. And as you can see, this one is around 121 right now in the middle over here. So somewhere between 110 and 121 is what I go with. And so now that this is cooled down enough and it's kind of lukewarm, generally you can put in a finger if you want, like that would be your old school method. Here's my previous batch of yogurt that I had. And essentially I just have this much left, as you can see over here. Okay. And so I'm just gonna basically put all of this in and mix it up and put it on yogurt mode. Okay. So I put all of that in. I'm just gonna mix everything up so it's evenly mixed up, and then let that cream fall. Now, the yogurt that I had from my previous, like this has been going on for months and months. So I think the first, when I used the starter, it was just a organic yogurt from the Indian store. Either it was a Verka or Desi Dahi. One of those two, I don't remember, but this was like a couple of years back. So my starter has been going on continuously since then, and I have not bought any regular yogurt. This is going to just make your plain yogurt. It is very similar to what you would get in India. So this is not flavored. This is not super thick. You can still do your spoon test at the end, which I will show you once this is done and like set. But now what I'll do is I'll just take my lid over here, close it on, it's sealed, and then all I'm doing is yogurt mode for 7 hours, and that's it. And so after 7 hours, when the yogurt gets done, I actually put it in the fridge, and I don't touch it. I don't spoon it. I don't do any of that because it actually allows the yogurt to set better. So I'll show you what the yogurt looks like once it's set. Hey y'all. So after my yogurt was in the IP for 7 hours, I took it out and put it in the refrigerator overnight. And then you can see generally this type of a yogurt, it's more kind of Indian-like yogurt. You will see some water, but really it still stands the test of your upright spoon, and it's pretty thick. And like with any other yogurt, as you start using it, it will get some water. But really, I mean, this is a perfect consistency and quite thick, even from a 2% milk. So again, this is not flavored or anything like that. There is no other artificial starters used, just a regular yogurt that doesn't have gelatin and is organic. One question that you might ask is why I don't put my milk directly in the insert. I don't like doing that because, like, if I use this, I can just cover it up and store it, and it works really well without me having to clean my insert or shifting all the contents into another container and losing kind of this, thickness and just like less work, right? So I hope you learned something and like this video. See you next time.